Diabetes is a metabolic disorder characterized by high levels of glucose, sugar, in the blood. There are different types of diabetes, but the two most common are type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease that occurs when the immune system attacks and destroys the insulin-producing beta cells in the pancreas. Insulin is a hormone that regulates the amount of glucose in the blood. Without insulin, glucose cannot enter the cells to provide energy, so it accumulates in the blood, leading to high blood sugar levels. Type 1 diabetes usually develops in children, teenagers, or young adults, but it can occur at any age. Symptoms of type 1 diabetes include frequent urination, increased thirst, hunger, weight loss, blurred vision, and fatigue. Type 1 diabetes requires lifelong insulin therapy to manage blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder that occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or does not produce enough insulin to regulate blood sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes usually develops in adults, but it can occur at any age. Risk factors for type 2 diabetes include obesity, a sedentary lifestyle, a family history of diabetes, and aging. Symptoms of type 2 diabetes include increased thirst, hunger, frequent urination, blurred vision, fatigue, and slow healing of wounds. Type 2 diabetes can be managed with lifestyle modifications, such as diet and exercise, and sometimes medications or insulin therapy are also required. It is important to note that diabetes is a chronic condition that requires ongoing management to prevent complications. Complications of diabetes can include heart disease, stroke, kidney damage, nerve damage, and blindness. Therefore, if you suspect that you have diabetes, it is important to see a healthcare professional for diagnosis and treatment. The big takeaway: type 1 is the more serious of the two types. Type 1 means no functioning pancreas. Type 1s have to inject insulin to control blood sugars. Type 2 on the other hand can generally manage to avoid the complications by simply eating a healthy diet and losing excess weight. If you found this information educational, please hit the subscribe and like button for more videos on this important health issue.